Okay, so Halloween is around the corner and I wanted a cool Halloween project. Now, I haven't played a musical instrument in a long time, so I thought this is a great opportunity and I took it. So basically, if I'm going to play it, I gotta impress you big time, right? And that's what I tried to do. I hope you impressed.
You ever seen those videos where the person connects strings to the keys of a piano and then uses his fingers to play the piano? Well, I decided to take it next level. Like, that's just so much work using your fingers when you can just use another piano or keyboard. Now look at this. So these are the keys I chose. Now if we go to this B right here, we have a B that's right there. Now if I press the B, watch, boom, it moves. You see? So when I decide to play this keyboard, this one is also going to be playing the same song. Genius, don't you think? That's genius. Now we have the black keys as well. As you can see, the string is connected to the black key and then it goes through this gap right here and then it goes all the way to this black key right here. Watch what happens when I press it. Boom, that thing also moves, which means I can play two songs at the same time, or two instruments playing the same song. That's just genius.
So basically, I have a keyboard here. I have a keyboard here and I have a keyboard here. So I have two keyboards. Now the difference is this keyboard right now it's on the bass setting. Look. And this keyboard is on the grand piano setting. Okay, so as you can see, we have two different instruments at the moment. Now, what makes this project special? The two keyboards are bonded together. The sounds are bonded together, which means if I play a key, do you hear that? Can you hear the bass and the keyboard mixing together? Now, okay, so you get the point. These two keyboards are connected together. Now, how many instruments can I play? Is it two? No, 4 instruments. 4, because one keyboard allows you to play 2 instruments at one time, which means if you add 2 plus 2 together, that's 4. Now I'm going to play just a nice, maybe a nice Halloween song, maybe. Yeah, it's not going to be a super long one, super short, super simple. I don't know if you can guess the song. So let's do that. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so before we start, I need to choose my 2 instruments. So let me select them right now. So for the black keyboard, I chose 066. So we go 066, right? This, which is this one, right? And then I'm going to select my second instrument, which would be, whoa, not yet, which would be 098. That would be 098, and it's going to sound like this now. So by itself, the first instrument, if I remove this, it sounds like this. And then with the second instrument, it sounds like this. Okay, so that's done. Then I'm going to select harmony just to make it more spicy. Let's see. Maybe I'll do some echo. That we'll do echo, which perfect. Then I'm going to, let's see what else. Wide audio. Yep, that's good. Okay, now just do the second one, which would be, let's see, this one would be 060, 060. There we go, which sounds like this. Okay, then I'm going to select my second instrument, which would be 098. 098. Wait. Doesn't that mean I chose the same instrument? No. No, it's okay. Okay, then I'll select, okay, I got that. Then harmony as well. We'll do, what else? We'll do trio. No. We'll do trio. And it's, yeah, I think that's done. Okay, so, okay, let's give it a try. So it should sound good now. Let's see. Together. Okay, so done. Now, let's do this. Let's do this. I need more. Have you discussed this? No. What am I even speaking? I need to feel it. I feel better. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope you liked the project. And I hope you were impressed. Thank you.